Lunch time. Break time. Lunch time. Go. Hi ka.
Hi! Sama na.
Video lagi. Sweet one. Pakondo ni store. Hi.
Hello.
Hi po. Gusto may kita na nimo?
Oh, kita na. Yan
Oh, hi po. Oy, di na mo. Oh. Wala, basta secret. May video. Evelyn, salamat. Evelyn, mangga. Evelyn, thank you for feeding. Feed the hungerless. Feed the hungry friend. Busy si Madam Tino. Kasi si ayan, last time, chow-chow. Home. On the Greek alumni homecoming. Greek, the goods and the gardens. Ayan. Well. Mel, hi! Mel, hi to Evelyn. Hi, Evelyn. Thank you, Len, for feeding us, hungry people here in the Philippines. Saan, hi?
Artemis.
Artemis iPod. Sige, go ahead. Panit po gamay. Kinis kastur, wajud mo pa rin ang kapuluho nga tao. Isakitan sa iyarayuma. Kaya, thank you Lord for the food. Thanks for the blessings. Courtesy of Evelyn Monda. Courtesy, hello. Hi, ka-close up ni Zoe. Hi Evelyn, kamo, thanks friend. Thanks for the feeding the hungry people. In the Philippines, thanks. Okay. Dali.